Tim, I'll start with you. It's been now, I guess you could say, a series of disappointing earnings reports from the semi space. What's the read through here? Are we looking at a bigger, broader, more painful slowdown for tech?
Yeah, look, our thesis has been that you have had some demand that got pulled forward because of these tariffs that got put in place. And so I think in the broader semiconductor space, I think that there was some demand. Things were not actually as good as what they were reported to be the past couple quarters. So I think there is some digestion happening right now. And on the side of semi-cap equipment, I think that they're also feeling some pain as well. Memory pricing has been down. CapEx is being cut. I think it's going to last a few more quarters.
Romit, do you agree with that?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I think a big swing factor is, just this China-U.S. Trade issue. If that escalates from here, I think fundamentals for the group could get a lot worse. If you get resolution, then, I think we could be getting back to more normal growth rates and fundamentals within a quarter or two.
Tim, a couple of the biggest chip stocks, Intel and Qualcomm, are both up this morning while others are suffering. But going back to Nvidia, I mean, that's really the key one. It had just been a rocket. And not only did they miss on revenue in the quarter they reported, but also guidance was weak. What's going on here? Is this a moment possibly that we're going to mark as being when things took a dramatic turn because there was a slackening of demand that a lot of people didn't see coming? Or is this just a blip?
Look, this is not the first quarter that they guided below. They also guided below last quarter, too. So this is the second quarter in a row that they actually guided below. This time, I think there's some, there's some channel issues that they didn't really see. I think a lot of us saw that there was inventory in the channel. I think for some reason they didn't see that. And I think that they're being bitten just by some, it really is like a, hangover effect from this cryptocurrency boom, really. And I think that they're doing the wise thing to basically cease all shipments into the channel to basically let the channel clear itself. And I think you could see a better April quarter as things snap back a little bit. But I think that the narrative now is that, look, these guys have now guided below, below for, 2 straight quarters. And also, if you look at the data center business, which is what a lot of people own this stock for, data center also underneath all this was a little bit weak. And it seems like they're being clipped a little bit by the slowdown in data center CapEx as well.